How do I store baking soda bicarbonate of soda to keep it fresh?
Hello baking enthusiasts! Today, we'll delve into the best ways to store your baking soda or bicarbonate of soda to keep it fresh and effective for all your culinary experiments.
Why is proper storage important?
Baking soda, while a versatile staple in many kitchens, is also quite sensitive to moisture and odors. If improperly stored, it can absorb moisture from the air and other odors present in your kitchen, affecting its potency and leaving your baked goods less than perfect.
What do you need to store baking soda?
For successful storage, you don't need much. The key items are an airtight container, a cool, dry place, optional, food-grade desiccant packets.
How to store baking soda?
Step 1. First, ensure your airtight container is clean and completely dry. Moisture is a foe to your baking soda. Step 2. Pour your baking soda into the container, leaving a bit of space at the top. Step 3. If using desiccant packets, place 1 or 2 in the container to absorb any potential moisture. Step 4. Seal the container tightly. It's essential to prevent air and any lingering odors from seeping in.
Where to store baking soda?
Baking soda should be stored in a cool, dry place. Avoid areas near the stove, sink, or dishwasher, where heat and moisture are common. A pantry or a cabinet away from sources of heat and moisture is ideal.
Can baking soda expire?
Technically, baking soda does not expire. However, over time, if not stored correctly, it can lose its potency. Therefore, it's recommended to replace your baking soda every 6 months to a year, or if you notice it's no longer active when you test it. To test your baking soda, add a few drops of vinegar or lemon juice to a spoonful of baking soda. If it fizzes, it's still active. That's it for today, folks. Remember, keeping your baking soda fresh and effective is as easy as storing it in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Make sure to replace it regularly, and your baked goods will always turn out perfectly. Happy baking!